Hold the flyer and lever it forward, and then throw it into the air, and the flyer gets lifted on automatically. It will move upward and rotate 360 degrees. Put the thumb at the sensor at one side of the flyer. It will fly in a circle. Turn the flyer around to switch it off.
The aircraft through to make it fly. No need for remote operation. Simple and convenient. Infrared induction device is at the bottom and around it. It has the function of automatic avoidance. With encountering obstacle at the bottom, it will rise automatically. Hand sensing interactive aircraft. It can be played by many people. The grip turns over to stop flying. UFO induction vehicle without remote sensing.
Powerful dynamic. 2.4 Hz multiply vehicles running without interference. Change to full axles and start flight mode.
response aerial vehicle without remote control. Solve the grid type protection, safety, and anti-impact. Celebration after startup. Needn't remote control. Flying once through. 5 response head at the bottom and side. Please 3 times press the power supply key to red lamp flashing for each one-time impact and fallen. Gyroscopes balance again, then can continue play. Hand grasp over turn stop flying. USB charging, easy and fast.
UFO drone, and gently throw it forward. Multi-directional infrared sensing, 1 key takeoff and landing. Gesture control, 360-degree flip, rotating flying. All you can enjoy in one time with Jingyu UFO drone. Infrared sensor drone, infrared induction.
Shortly 3 times, infrared obstacle avoidance mode is activated. Automatic obstacle avoidance, rest assured to play. Hand drop induction. Multiplayer interaction. Roll by gesture induction. Gesture induction, fixed point hovering. Remote control operation by app.